Welcome back to Market Mindset AI, the podcast that brings the market to life with insights, opinions, and just a bit of humor. I'm your host, Big Money Mike, and today's show has it all. AI taking center stage, space companies dreaming big, and even a nuclear energy renaissance. We're diving into the hottest market moves, bold innovations, and one stock that might deserve a spot on your radar. So grab your coffee or your radiation shield, and let's jump in. Let's kick things off with a market overview. Tech is having its moment, with AI-related stocks leading a rally on news of increased private sector funding under the Trump administration. Nvidia, Amazon, and Alphabet all saw gains as investors bet on AI's transformative potential. Meanwhile, tariffs are making headlines again, with proposed levies on imports from Mexico and Canada rattling the automotive and retail sectors. And don't forget about Apple, which continued its slide after weak iPhone sales in China. Here's the kicker. While AI and tech are grabbing the spotlight, other sectors like energy and industrials are grappling with uncertainty. The moral of the story? Diversification isn't just smart, it's essential. Rocket Lab is making moves with its upcoming Electron launch, part of a multi-mission contract with Kinney's to deploy IoT satellites. This is Rocket Lab's bread and butter. Reliable small satellite launches for growing industries like agriculture, logistics, and climate monitoring. But what really caught my eye is their upcoming Neutron rocket, designed for heavier payloads. This could position Rocket Lab as a direct competitor to SpaceX in the mid-sized launch market. Investors take note. Rocket Lab's execution has been stellar, but it's still a speculative play. The space economy is growing, and Rocket Lab is well-positioned to capitalize if they can maintain their momentum. SoundHound AI is expanding its reach with a new partnership with Recur Systems. Together, they're developing voice-integrated tech for emergency vehicle recognition, a move that could redefine law enforcement and first responder efficiency. Here's what I like. SoundHound isn't trying to beat tech giants like Google or Microsoft at their own game. Instead, they're carving out a niche in voice AI for specific applications. But let's be real, niche doesn't always mean safe. SoundHound stock remains volatile, reflecting the challenges of scaling in a competitive market. It's an exciting story, but not one for the faint of heart. Let's talk about Oklo, the nuclear energy startup that's aiming to disrupt the energy sector with its microreactors. Oklo recently announced plans for a public listing via SPAC merger with AltC Acquisition Corp., signaling a major step forward for the company. Why is Oklo exciting? For one, its microreactors promise safer, more efficient nuclear energy, key as the world seeks sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Oklo's design also reduces nuclear waste, addressing one of the industry's biggest challenges. But here's the rub. Nuclear energy has a history of overpromising and underdelivering. Regulatory hurdles are enormous, and public skepticism remains a hurdle. Still, with governments pushing for carbon neutrality, Oklo's vision feels timely. If they can execute, Oklo could be a game changer in the energy landscape. Let's round things out with a potential standout, Abbott Labs. Known for its medical devices and diagnostics, Abbott is a diversified powerhouse in healthcare. Their diabetes management systems are top-notch, and their growing weight loss portfolio is capitalizing on a booming trend. Despite its robust fundamentals, Abbott is trading at a discount compared to peers in the iShares US Medical Devices ETF. While I'm not telling you to buy, I will say Abbott has a strong pipeline and a solid balance sheet. If you're looking for stability with growth potential, this one deserves a spot on your radar. And that's a wrap for today's Market Mindset AI. From AI dominance to Oklo's nuclear ambitions and Rocket Lab's space dreams, the market is full of innovation and opportunity. Thanks for joining me, Big Money Mike. Remember to stay sharp, stay curious, and always stay in the mindset. Catch you next time.